Likwalakwala FM presenter Given Matabela has shared a heartwarming, wrenching open letter to his late daughter, Lusanda Hope Matabela, who was brutally deleted in their Nelspruit home on November 3. The radio DJ's emotional message, posted on social media, lays bare the depth of his grief and disbelief following the killing of his only child. Describing the pain as deeper than anything I have ever known, is that my heart feels like it has been torn out of my chest. I keep thinking this can't be real, that any moment you'll walk through the door and say Appa, but I know you won't, and that the truth is unbearable. According to Mpumalanga Police spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Jabun Dubane, two 18-year-old suspects, Katlego Mokoena and Lungelo Sithole, have been arrested and charged with murder. They made their first appearance before the Nelspruit Magistrates Court earlier this week. Police say they received a complaint of a house burglary and, upon arrival, discovered the lifeless body of the 19-year-old victim lying in a pool of blood with multiple stab wounds, and said preliminary investigations suggest the suspects jumped over the wall to gain entry into the property. Construction work was taking place at the premises, and it is believed the suspects encountered the victim inside the house when she screamed. One of them allegedly stabbed her. Construction workers nearby reportedly heard the commotion and alerted Matabela, who rushed home to the devastating scene. In his letter, Matabela apologized to his daughter, expressing deep anguish that she had died so violently and at the hands of someone she knew, and said, "I'm so sorry, my child. I'm sorry I couldn't protect you. Sorry that you were brutally stabbed by someone you trusted, someone who was no stranger to you. You didn't deserve to die like this. You deserved to live, to love, to chase your dreams and build the life you wanted. If I could trade places with you, I would without a second thought. Every part of me aching, wishing I could have been there to shield you, to hold you, to stop the pain." Matabela described Lusanda as a radiant and loving young woman whose warmth and kindness touched everyone around her, and said, "You were such a light in my life, my joy, my laughter, my reason to keep going. The way you cared for everyone, the way you filled every space with your presence. I will never let your light fade. I will never let the pool of blood I found you in be for nothing." He ended his letter with a message of eternal love and longing, and said, "I hope you can hear me somehow. I hope you can feel how much I love you, how much I always have and always will. I hope your soul has found peace, free from fear, free from pain." Police confirmed that both suspects remain in custody as the case was postponed to November 12 for a formal bail application. Dubane added that one of the accused is a grade 12 learner who is expected to write his final examination in detention. As the country of Nelspruit cripples with shock and outrage, Matabele's poignant words have struck a chord across South Africa, a father's cry for justice and a love letter that will forever echo the life and light of his daughter Lusanda Hope. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.